up guys, welcome back. This week we are working on the Cobra again, and we're going to pretty much get stuck into the mechanicals, but first things first, we need to give this thing a good wash, under chassis, inside out. It's mainly just the engine bay, so we have a clean slate to see what we're working with. So we're going to get it outside and get it up on the jack stands and go deep wash everything, so that we can get a perfect idea with what we're working with. If you want to see some more of this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you're good to go. Alright guys, so unfortunately progress on the Cobra has been halted because one of my clients had an emergency with their Land Rover. This car is actually one of the old Camel Trophy cars here in South Africa. Long story behind that, but basically the previous guy didn't do all the work on it, so we need to finish some of it as well as some emergency stuff. So we've just changed all the fluids in the car, and we've got a very leaky oil pump. So we have a very leaky oil pump housing, and so we've got a new gasket, oil pump gears and all that. So it's a bit of an emergency job that we weren't expecting. So unfortunately progress on the Cobra has been halted, and I've also found another electrical issue on the Cobra. So the Cobra doesn't want to start, which is unfortunate. So yep, let's see, today's Thursday, the video comes out tomorrow, so let's see, maybe we can still make a plan, maybe we can still get some work done on the Cobra, but I doubt it. So anyway, let's see how we get on. Alright guys, so unfortunately we weren't able to do any more work on the Cobra, so it's been a bit of a weird week. I did get the Land Rover done. That's outside, so that got sorted, and managed to get a bunch of work done on this BMW. So we're doing a big weight reduction on this car. So all the glass is out, kind of similar to how we did with my car. And the rear glass is out. Took out all the sound deadening, and we're also upgrading the fuel system on this because this runs on pure ethanol. So unfortunately that's going to be a wrap for this episode. It's a bit of a weird one. Really needed to get some progress done on that Cobra, but the problem is the Cobra started giving me electrical issues again, so I need to get that sorted. And then obviously we got held up with a bunch of other stuff. So it's a bit of a juggle this week, trying to get everything done. But yeah, we're going to have to catch up next week. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys next week.